Hey guys, I'm Angelina, and welcome to your yoga spot. Going to a yoga studio or group fitness gym center can sometimes be intimidating. Well, here you can learn yoga and practice in the comfort of your own home or wherever you may be. At this channel, you can learn the basics and fundamentals of yoga, from how to incorporate the use of props such as yoga blocks, bolsters, yoga straps, and so much more, as well as learn yoga breathing techniques that can help you calm the mind and let go of stress, and how to correctly get into a yoga posture properly. Yoga is an endless journey of self-discovery. It's not just a workout, it's a work inwards. It's a healthy lifestyle that helps you find peace and stillness in the midst of chaos. It connects us with the present moment. There are so many benefits of practicing yoga that can help you not only with flexibility of the body, but also the mind, as well as improve circulation, weight management, increase strength, better respiratory health, improve cardiovascular health, increase energy, relief from pain, improve your athletic performance, strengthen the immune system, not to mention the emotional benefits. But with practice of the postures, with time and patience, you experience letting go of your fears and boost your self-esteem and grace off the mat as well. As you become more aware of your body and mind, you become more in tune with the world around you and your relationship, not only with yourself, but with others as well. My goal for creating this channel is to touch your heart and plant the seed of yoga and educate you on the authentic, organic health and healing aspects that yoga and meditation can offer one's life to bring about peace and balance. Remember, you hold the key to your happiness. I'm here for you to help you, guide you, support you, teach you the basics of yoga to begin your journey of self-discovery. So please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. You can leave it in the comment section or direct message me to the email listed below. I will also include links below in the description area to where you can purchase your yoga props to make it easier for you to begin your journey. So welcome to your yoga spot.